guys, so today I'm going to show you the difference between Rustoleum products that you can use on your chassis for the most part. So if you'll notice, now this is somewhat unfair because this has been outside for a much longer period of time. It has a ton of pollen on it, jeez, and this was done much more recently. So, however, in my personal opinion, most likely you're going to want to be using the oil-based, not the latex-based, if you're going to be coating your chassis with a Rustoleum product. This etches a little bit differently. The finish is a bit more appealing. The oil paint just going over the metal chassis, and obviously you want to prep this, wire brush, sand, scrape, do whatever you want. Make sure you get all of the existing undercoating and other crap off, so that way you are ready to go, just to lay your paint right down. So, as for this guy, good stuff. I'll show you right now that I actually have used him on a piece of weather stripping. In that piece of weather stripping, it has been this has been here for like 2 years, and all the elements outside, direct sunlight. Maybe only now it's just starting to fade ever so slightly, but this is extremely durable. However, this is on plastic, and the frame is obviously metal. So this stuff, I really like it, but I'm still gonna say for plastic, 10 out of 10. For metal, you're probably going to want to go with the oil base for metal specifically. But I cannot complain. It does look quite good, and I do think it will be durable nonetheless. So this is all that 2X latex based. And then this up here is the oil based. So, I mean, hey, let me know inside the comments below which one you guys think you prefer. Any tips, tricks, and thoughts. But basically, yeah. So that is the difference between the oil-based and the latex-based if you're going this route for a low buck restoration. Alrighty, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.